Welcome again to my channel Cubing Lab, and today in this video I will solve this Duomo Paraminx Rubik's Cube. So this is very simple and very easy cube, and we can solve this cube by using 2 or 3 steps. So in this cube we have these corner pieces, and these two color pieces are our edge pieces. As you can see, this red and blue, so this is our edge piece, this is also our edge piece. And in this cube we have these triangle pieces, so these are our center pieces. This is our red center piece, this is green. So we can solve this cube same like simple Paraminx Rubik's cube. So now I will scramble this cube and then I will solve this cube. So this is very simple and very easy, and we can solve this cube within 2 or 3 steps. As you can see, this is scrambled properly. First we will match 3 common color. So this is red, this is red, and in this side we have no any red piece. So we will rotate these two pieces in this way like that, and we will find third red color in this portion. So we have matched these 3 red corner. Hold cube like that and rotate just this bottom layer. Okay, you can see we have matched all corner pieces and all common colors. Now we will solve this middle portion. First we will arrange our these edge pieces. So we can select any one side. We can solve this yellow portion, also can solve this blue. So any one we will solve first. So I will solve this red portion. So hold cube like that, and you can see yellow and red color. It's mean we need to fix yellow and red edge piece in this position. First we will find in our top layer yellow and red edge piece. So we have no any yellow and red edge piece. It's mean our yellow and red edge piece in this portion. So first we will bring it up, take out of the way, and bring this layer down. Now we will find yellow and red. So this is our yellow and red edge piece. So we are solving red side. It's mean we have second color yellow. First we will match yellow with yellow like that. So this is matching from right side. It's mean we will rotate our left side, match red with red, and bring it down. So we have fixed one edge piece properly. Now we will solve blue and red edge piece. You can see in this side we have blue and red color. It's mean we will fix in this side blue and red edge piece. First we will find blue and red in this. So we have no blue and red edge piece. First we will find our blue and red edge piece in this bottom layer. So we will bring it up, take out of the way, bring it down. Okay, so this is our blue and red edge piece. So blue is matching from left side, so we rotate our right side and match red with red and bring it down. So this is done, this is done. In this side we need green and red edge piece. First we will find green and red. Okay, this is green and red edge piece. So match green with green like that. So green is matching from right side. So we will rotate this left side up, match red with red, and bring it down. So now you can see we have solved our bottom. Now we will solve our this portion. So when we solve this top layer, first we will check our top layer edge pieces. As you can see, this is blue and green. So we need to fix blue and green in this side. So this is yellow and green. We need this yellow and green fix in this side, and this is yellow and blue. We need to fix yellow and blue in this side. It's mean our these edge piece we need to rotate anti-clockwise like that. So when we need these edge piece, we need to rotate anti-clockwise, so hold cube like that and apply algorithm R U R prime U R U then R prime. So we have fixed our all edge pieces. You can see this edge piece is matching properly, and these two edge pieces we need to flip because we need green color in this side and yellow in this side. So hold cube like that, place one solved edge piece in our back side and place these two edge pieces we need to rotate in our left and right side, and apply algorithm right down, right up, left up, then rotate cube like that, and then right up U inverse, right down U. So our cube is solved. And sometime we can find another error. So this is our second situation. In this situation you can see this blue red piece we need to fix in this side, this red yellow piece we need to fix in this side, and this yellow blue we need to fix in this side. I mean these edge pieces are rotating clockwise like that. When we need these edge piece rotating clockwise, so hold cube like that and apply clockwise algorithm R U prime R prime U prime R U prime then R prime. So you can see this is fixed, and this is also fixed. So this is our last step. We need to solve these center pieces. You can see our all center pieces are flipped. So first we will find any center pieces that we can replace to each other. As you can see, we can replace blue and red to each other. This red we need to fix in this side and this blue we need to fix in this side. So we can hold cube like that, and also we can hold cube like that, because yellow and green we need to fix to each other, and apply algorithm 3 times, down down up up one time, down up second time, down up third time, and you can see our cube is solved.